Uh, yes. So today we have Khushi on the hot seat, and no, we are doing just an interview session. So she's going to answer some of my questions. What I will ask her. So here, first you need to what's happening. So first introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Tashma Ahmed and today I'm here to give an interview.
Yes. That's all. Okay. So now I will ask you some questions, and this may be about your previous life, about your school life. Okay. So you can just be as honest as you are in reality. Okay. Give true feedback about your school and about your previous school. Yeah. So first, look, how do you feel today, right now? I mean, how are you feeling?
I didn't feel good because, like, what sense?
No, I mean you are here sitting in front of me.
Okay, in that
and
sense.
we are talking in English. Okay,
I feel
this is just a
good.
casual talk, right?
Yeah, I feel good.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
That's all.
Yeah.
Just a good feeling.
Yeah, just.
Are you not nervous?
No, I'm not.
Okay, all right. So yes, please. What was your previous school you were studying in?
I
Yes.
should give the name.
Yes, the name.
No, I don't.
You can just simply just say what's the name. This is
No,
very.
actually everyone knows which
Okay,
school
no,
I
but
read.
not everybody
I was
knows. Not
reading.
everybody knows. You're, like almost 5,000 people watches your video, and not all of them are aware of
I
your
don't
school.
like to reveal my school name.
Okay, so what did you learn from that school? I mean, so far, what have you learned?
As truth.
Yeah, honest.
Yeah,
Honesty is the best policy. That's what we have learned, right? Honesty is the best policy. So be honest. Okay.
I learned very much things.
Okay.
Like what?
Like?
nothing.
Like nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. Be clear. Okay. Make it more clear. So now
Yeah,
again.
I learned very much thing, but in the time, as time passed, I forgot everything,
Okay.
and that's my fault, I guess.
Okay, that's your fault? No, I think that's not your fault, because I have faced many of students, whose maths, whose English, like they're so weak in these, things. So now what do you feel?
Yeah.
So, okay, would you suggest any future kid to join this school?
No.
And why?
Just.
This is your honest reaction. This is your honest.
Because this school is now getting very worst. Even the no, I don't think so.
Stop.
It is legal to say anything right now, and as I always everybody knows, it school
Yeah.
is now not a good school, net school, and I suggest you to go far from here.
Yes.
Not this school.
Okay. So, what this school has given you, like
Childhood traumas,
childhood traumas?
religion discrimination,
Okay.
and too much discrimination.
So now, can you please tell me this in Hindi, that about all the things, like what have you learned from your school, from your previous school, that is obviously none other than you have been studying for the last, I think, throughout your life.
Yeah, like 11 years.
That is the reason you are so weak at everything. Yes. Tell me in Hindi. तुमने क्या सीखा अपने स्कूल से?
मैंने अपने स्कूल से बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी, बट टाइम के साथ मैं वो सब भूल गई, और फिर ज़्यादा से चीज़ें.
Are you scared?
Yeah, I'm scared because I don't know what will happen after
Oh, look, you're
posting
not
this video.
you're not celebrity, so nobody is going to blame you for this, and you're not celebrity, so you can just make your own statement about anything. We have
But
this,
we don't have to take all
freedom
the
of
name.
speech. Sorry?
We don't have to take all the name of that school. It's a
No, this is not the only school. You're not talking about this.
But you are also running an organization,
Okay.
and what will happen after 10 or 12 year old? Your organization someone is blaming you.
No,
Someone
at
is
least they are giving honest review. What about the movies? Like, if you don't like it, you say that this movie was not good, and if you like it, yeah, that movie was good. So this is that simple. If somebody criticizes me and my institution, I would agree on that, because yeah, this is me actually, right? I would accept that, and I still accept this. Yes, that if I'm the best, then I'm the best. I'm teaching you English, then yeah, nobody can teach like this. So this is my guarantee, this is my confidence, conviction. Do you feel the same way about your school?
What did I tell?
Yeah. Do you feel the same way about your school? Like, I accept everything. Okay?
No.
And
They
even
didn't
till.
accept anything.
Okay, so in Hindi. Okay, let's leave this part. Okay. Now tell me about your like you are going to your new school. So
I don't even know my new school.
Okay.
Like
Your
it's
parents
not-
will search for
it-
that.
Yeah, it's not clear now. In few days ago, we have decided what will buy school for 4 years,
Okay.
like 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. But after some time, we found out there is no any girls hostel, and they lies us.
They lied.
They lied.
They lied to
My father that they have, but they
A
don't.
girls' hostel.
Yes.
But there was no girls' hostel
No,
available.
there was not girls hostel available. And
So what do you think this kind of-
when we
this kind of
when
school
we
and-
search
yeah.
in Google, they also said they also given this information on Google that they have girls hostel, but in reality they didn't have.
No, they didn't have girls' hostel.
Yeah.
And what was your father's reaction? Shit, man. I mean, you just lied to us. That's
Yeah.
not good. What about
He
your
felt
management?
very-
What
he felt
about
very
your
bad.
reputation?
Yeah, he felt very bad, and my mother was not comfortable in there that after leaving these two
Actually, the fact is they
daughters,
shouldn't have lied to your parents.
yeah, they should not.
Anyway, so okay. So now you're leaving this place. So will you miss your old friends?
No, I will not. They give us me very much.
I think maybe being a child, you are just saying this just because you are not.
I will miss my childhood friends, but
You will
not,
miss all the moments. You will miss all the moments.
Actually, in
I
the
think
past
even the bad moments you will remember. Like, yeah, this was the things I used to do in my school life, in my village.
Yes, I will miss, and in the farewell day,
Will you not miss Rampam? Seriously?
I'm here. I'm not going to another city and another state, so
You will
Rampam
miss.
is,
No, Rampam is something
available.
really special. If you can't miss Rampam, then no, you are not allowed to do anything there in hostel. If you get into any hostel, then you'll not be allowed for that. So you're not going to miss Rampam.
I will miss.
Such a disgrace. Okay, all right, that's all right. Okay, so now after talking so long, so how do you feel?
It's not so long.
It's not so long.
No.
I think it is.
It's only 8 minutes.
So it is 8 minutes long speech, and this is not actually a speech. We are just talking casually. Okay. So now that's all. That's all I wanted to ask you. So now you can just say thank you.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
It's very short.
Okay, so 8 minutes.
It's short.
It's not short. Okay.
You have to edit this. That's why you are saying it's very long.
Okay, all right. So you can just say thank you. I want you to go. Just go now. All right. Yes.